Hello and welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at the crazy powerful and impressive machines operating at an insane level. We'll show you how they move and function too. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. First on the list, these are two agricultural machines intended to help farmers in their mowing and mulching operations. They have several features that increase the machine's overall productivity and efficiency. Whether the task is dealing with grass, weeds, brush, shrubs, and even small trees, these incredible machines can help farmers mow them in both flat and uneven trails. Even when there are different types of grass or trees to mow, the operator is guaranteed efficient performance because of the machine's robust cutting mechanism with either rotating blades or flails. In addition to that, the operator can also incorporate other attachment options with the machine to enhance its versatility. For example, it can be equipped with different cutting heads or attachments to adapt to various mowing conditions and requirements. Since it is working with grass and trees, it is important that the machines can move easily. Good thing these are highly maneuverable, so that the operation can go on even when there are tight spaces or challenging terrains that need to be conquered. Even with that, don't worry because the machines have safety features such as operator protection guards, emergency shutdown systems, and visibility enhancements to ensure safe operation. These features are all tied together by its diesel engine that can provide ample power for the cutting operation while ensuring fuel efficiency and durability. Next up, this is the Foet Crawler FWF-93 and FWF-94. These two machines are dubbed as the most powerful mobile winch vehicles in the world. These machines are manufactured at the Poswell site by the Walter Fokkesgruber GmbH. It's known for its patented technology called Squeakmatic, which is possible for the machine to deliver maximum tractive forces and ensure a long service life. It also has other impressive features. For example, the Foet Crawler FWF-93 is designed to be able to generate immense tractive forces. It also has a powerful cable winch that produces a tractive force of up to 90 tons, which allows it to function in multiple tasks and applications. Speaking of multiple tasks, the versatility of this machine is also no joke. This machine is designed to function well even when facing challenging environments. Thanks to its large bearing surface facilitated by rubber tracks with a low bearing load of just 0.32 kilograms centimeters squared, these machines are able to provide efficient operation even on substances with poor support, including marshland areas. With an impressive ground clearance of 700 millimeters, the Foet Crawler minimizes impact and ensures minimal damage to delicate terrains. The Foet Crawler FWF-93 is a heavy-duty vehicle that is designed to be road-friendly. This indicates that, as a result of its smart design and construction, it can be driven on highways without causing harm to the road surface. This feature increases the Foet Crawler's capability and makes it possible to move it quickly between task sites without causing delays or needing additional road repairs. The Foet Crawler FWF-93 offers a wide range of performance features and applications that increase its utility in a variety of sectors. Some notable uses include towing Foet Lang plows with consistent force, providing traction support for both wheeled and crawler plows, facilitating the installation of sewer pipes while crossing water bodies, assisting in traction work during pipe rehabilitation, supporting and retrieving drilling rods during horizontal drilling processes, performing cable winch work of any kind, and tackling traction work on challenging terrains. This is the Bale Boss 4 Tube Line Manufacturing. They're known for offering one of the best products and services when it comes to handling and feeding bales on farms. They can offer products such as bale wrappers, bale processors, bale feeders, and hay handling equipment. However, they are more known for their bale wrappers. The bale wrappers by Bale Boss 4 Tube Line Manufacturing are designed to assist in wrapping round bales and plastic film. This is intended for easier and more effective bale storage and preservation. Then, once the bales need to be used for livestock bedding or feeding purposes, they also have bale processors that can help in shredding and distributing bales. In this way, bales are delivered to the livestock without spending too much time and without having so much waste after too. The products of Tube Line are indeed a great addition when it comes to productivity and efficiency in the agricultural industry. They have hay handling equipment including products like accumulator systems and grapple attachments for easy bale stacking and transport, hence making sure that farms have reliable and innovative solutions for bale handling and feeding. Have you ever heard of forest fires? If you've seen one in real life or just in the news, it's quite obvious how hard it is to extinguish one, right? The forest is full of materials that are easily caught on fire. Good thing the market now has companies aiming to solve this problem. One of them is the Suffle Smart Skidder. With this machine, it does not only promise to extinguish forest fires, but also provide a solution that can withstand even the impassable terrains. This is the Forest Fire Kit add-on, which is a mounting system for the Smart Skidder. This makes it possible for the equipment to go through the most difficult and challenging terrains where the normal-sized firefighting vehicles can't pass through. Operators don't also have to worry about its capacity because it can be attached with an 800 IBC, which acts as a water tank as well as a standardized fire brigade portable pump. Furthermore, the attachment has logistical benefits. On the one hand, unique forest fire containers, pallets, or lattice boxes with Euro or industrial pallet dimensions can be easily moved into the forest thanks to the pallet attachment. The skid attachment, on the other hand, enables the connection of modules like power generators or dirty water vacuum cleaners. The technology used by the typical fire brigade is compatible with these accessories, which are standardized to meet fire brigade standards. There is no need for additional adapter parts as a result. The storage box has enough for small equipment as well. The Smart Skidder is ubiquitous throughout the forest thanks to its small size. The radio remote control, which has a 100-meter range, makes operations simple. The Boeing 707 is one of the most historic aircrafts in the aviation history. This incredible aircraft was a 4-engine commercial jet airliner manufactured by Boeing and made its first flight during the year 1954. It took a lot of flights, but also had to come to a stop. Now, when aircrafts are no longer in use, they usually dismantle it. This is what happened to the Boeing 707 you see in the video. This 65-year-old Boeing 707-400 was scrapped at Hamburg-Fluechenbüttel Airport on the June 10th, 2021. Usually, the process of dismantling commercial planes will require certain machines, technology, and even techniques. In this particular video, they made use of the Chemrock diamond saw and used a technique called cold cutting. This refers to the process of using hydraulic shears, band saws, reciprocating saws, and abrasive water jet cutting machines to cut through a material. The diamond saw was used because it can cut through a lot of materials like concrete, reinforced concrete, rock and fiberglass reinforced plastic, and more without generating excessive heat. Chemrock has been a great provider for cutting tools and attachments for 20 years already. The people involved in this whole process choose to cut through the aircraft because as much as they wanted to dismantle it, they're aware of its historical contribution. Hence, they just opted for cutting it so other parts can be preserved for auction in September 2021. The Chemrock diamond saw was perfect for it because it's efficient and has intense precision too. Up next, this is Pavelli, a company that offers a range of custom trailers. Depending on the needs and the application, their trailers have different features that can help the project. Pavelli offers various trailer models, including enclosed trailers, utility trailers, call haulers, equipment trailers, and more. They're not only famous because of these features, but also because of their durability and functionality. These trailers are incredible when it comes to raising productivity and efficiency. Aside from that, the operators can also customize these trailers. They can choose what features, sizes, configurations, and finishes based on their requirements. Pavelli is also successful in providing quality construction of trailers using materials such as steel frames, aluminum exteriors, and high-quality components. Next is this potato harvester with an intense operating level. This is the DeWolf CP42, and it has a couple of features that machine enthusiasts should probably see. First of all, it has a state-of-the-art harvesting technology called the CP42 to lift and separate the potatoes from the soil. This technology makes use of a combination of digging webs, sheaving webs, shaking rollers, and cleaning modules to ensure optimal harvest results. Even with this, it still manages to harvest in a gentle way to minimize damage. This is all thanks to the axial rollers and rubber webs that help reduce bruising and preserve the quality of harvested potatoes. This also increases productivity to a lot of levels because it's high capacity and can cover large areas quickly and efficiently. Depending on what potato variety and field condition the farm has, the operator can adjust the machine's configuration to fit the different needs and requirements. A hay rake called the ingenious Maximus is made for quickly and effectively raking different kinds of forage crops. It has a central joint and a V-frame design that improves ground adaptation and allows for excellent performance even on rough terrain. Depending on the particular model or configuration selected, the working width may change. The forage material is gathered and moved by the rake's rotating tines, creating windrows that can be processed further or baled. To handle various crop circumstances, some models could have adjustable features including the tine angle, working height, and rotor speed. Products made by ingenious are renowned for their dependability and high-quality craftsmanship, which guarantees enduring performance. Conver provides a selection of weed harvesters built to remove aquatic weeds and plants effectively. These weed harvesters can be used on a variety of water bodies, including lakes, ponds, reservoirs, and canals because they are made to float. Conver's weed harvesters efficiently chop and gather aquatic vegetation because they are outfitted with cutting and collecting systems. The weeds are then gathered within the machine and either disposed of or processed further. The goal of Conver's weed harvesters is to optimize productivity while avoiding damage to the aquatic habitat. They're designed for efficient operation. They can handle several varieties of aquatic flora and adjust to various water conditions. Conver could provide customization choices based on the model in order to satisfy various customer needs. This could include options for variable cutting widths, changeable cutting heights, and onboard storage or transportation of the removed weeds. Some Conver weed harvester models could include extra features in addition to their core capabilities. These could incorporate integrated GPS technology for accurate mapping and navigation, onboard conveyors for effective processing of the harvested vegetation, and hydraulic systems for simple maneuverability. These are just some of the crazy powerful and impressive machines operating at an insane level. If you want to learn more, you can go check out other videos from Lord Gizmo. You can also try to look at our separate video on the 10 coolest machines that actually exist.